it's your girl Tyra, and thank you for joining me at Beauty Sent Her. So today I'll be installing and reviewing this synthetic wig from Outre'S. It is from their melted hairline. It is called Divine in the color DR4 Creamy Mocha, and it's the last one. So they had to put it in a package and I got a little discount on it, but it is $49.99, but I got it for $42 because they took some percentage off. And it is a soft HD transparent lace with a 5 deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns with an attached elastic band and natural baby hairs, and it's designed to fit your ear corners. Okay, so it does have 5-inch parting, 5-inch deep parting. It also comes with an elastic band inside, and it has two clips in the front, and then it has one big clip in the back. And it says it's an HD transparent lace, but it doesn't look like in person it doesn't look HD or transparent. It has a little bit of a tint to it. So once I put my makeup and everything on the lace, it should melt perfectly. Also, I like how with this synthetic wig, it has enough like plucking space. Like the lace, it has like a good amount so you can pluck it and customize it, because some synthetic wigs give you like this much of lace, so you can't really do too much to it. But I think I will be able to accomplish a lot with it, and this is how it looks on the inside. So let's get into this install. gotta say is, this is the best lace I've ever seen on a synthetic wig. Because usually the synthetic wigs I got in the past, like the lace was really hard. I will say though, it's not HD transparent like it says, but once you match your color with your skin tone, you'll be fine. Like, look at this. Like, Outre'S melted lace. They was not lying. Literally, I'm so glad I got this color. Like, I need to get a human hair wig this color because I just literally love this color so freaking much. Okay, so those are the pros. So now to the cons. I will say the hair sheds a lot and it like tangles up a lot on the ends. And look, see, look. Like, it just, the ends are just not the best, I will say. And the hair could look really wiggy and shiny. It could get really wiggy and shiny looking. So to tone down the shininess of it, I put some powder throughout the wig. I would suggest using some dry shampoo instead though. But overall, I feel like this would be a really cute, like, you want to find something quick at a beauty supply store. I would most definitely get this wig again if I was trying to do something quick. I don't think it would last, like, I don't think it would last the whole week if I like keep it in my hair. But if I wear one day, take it off, and then put it on another day and take it off, and vice versa, I feel like I would be fine. So this is how the hair looks, and I will leave everything in the description box. Thank you for joining me, your girl Tyra at Beauty Sent Her. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am out.